Is it time to buy or sell Damon common stock? In this video, we will explore Damon common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You will not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 3rd of January, 2025, our system has classified Damon common stock as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -1.00. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has significantly underperformed against our expectations, experiencing a decline of 99.15%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.26% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of nearly 99% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a total loss of 100% to a decline of 98.82%. Our latest daily update for Damon common stock includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Damon Incorporated's common stock price on Tuesday, moving between 480 cents and 790 cents. The Damon Incorporated common stock price increased by 97.37% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, rising from 380 cents to 750 cents. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 64.58%, with a low of 480 cents and a high of 790 cents. The price has shown considerable volatility during this period, with a total gain of 74.42% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 billion more shares were traded than the day before, contributing to an overall volume of 3 billion shares, which exchanged hands for approximately $22,250,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.95, while the lowest price registered was 290 cents. Currently, the stock price is 99.85%, or $4.94, below the 52-week high of $4.95, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. In recent updates, Damon Inc. is garnering attention due to its strategic progress and market activities. Notably, the company has closed a public offering totaling $16,500,000, aimed at strengthening its balance sheet and facilitating its multi-vertical revenue strategy. This influx of capital is crucial for Damon as it accelerates the development of their hyper-sport race electric motorcycle in collaboration with Engines Engineering, leveraging their MotoGP expertise for enhanced technology validation. Additionally, Damon is actively expanding its presence in the microcap market, highlighted by their recent presentation at the Planet Microcap Showcase. This event is likely to enhance visibility among potential investors and stakeholders, contributing to increased trading volume. A notable trend, as Damon Inc. is currently part of a group of stocks driving substantial activity on the Nasdaq. In the short term, these developments could positively impact Damon Inc.'s stock price, as investor confidence may rise with the visibility and funding secured. Long-term, the strategic focus on innovation in the electric vehicle sector positions Damon favorably within a growing market. Their diversified approach not only strengthens current operations, but also sets the stage for sustained growth, potentially leading to higher stock valuations as the company continues to execute on its ambitious plans. Analysts have assigned Damon common stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio a buy, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Damon common stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, April 11th, 2025, and so far it has risen 141.94%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the short-term development of the stock. Damon Inc. common stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nevertheless, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $0.0457. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $0.0044. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots. A buy signal was noted 12 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal, was observed 2 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, a sell signal, was identified 76 days ago. For more signals, please visit our website at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Damon. Common stock. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. In the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by $0.0031 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 64.58%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 24.69%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Damon common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Damon, a common stock. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and use volume analysis to decide when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline if certain conditions are met. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such market situations. The combined average rating for Damon common stock, based on various analyst sources, is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 4th day of December, 2024, when Damon Inc. executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.0072, representing a decrease of 4.28%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is Damon common stock a good buy? Damon Incorporated's common stock presents several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while monitoring for further developments. Following a review of the market volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of April, we anticipate that Damon common stock will open lower by 8/10 thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at 670/10 thousandths of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Sending regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.